Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 302 Ford 365 horsepower turnkey package engine with the Holley Sniper fuel injection system for our customer's 1971 Ford Bronco. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have the 302 Ford roller lifter camshaft installed, double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup, heavy duty Russell fuel line, gas filter, all the loop clamps installed, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted to red, proper rear sump oil pan for the 71 Bronco, oil stick and tube, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers, all the vertical looms on there, the black Ford Racing valve covers, the Edelbrock washable air filter on there, distributor set in place. We installed the MST ignition coil, all the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set, aluminum intake manifold, Holley Sniper fuel injection systems on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket and ball. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You can see the manifold vacuum, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. I'll set the ignition timing with the timing light. That'll be done. The Holley Sniper fuel injection menu screen will be all set up, all the settings ready to go, plug and play. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's C4 trans for the 71 Bronco, proper balance and tooth count for the 302 Ford. You have the PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. I installed the manifold vacuum fitting for easy vacuum hookup if needed. We have this real nice Wraptor serpentine pulley kit on there, AC compressors on there, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, proper lower hose location for the 71 Bronco on the passenger side, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hose is on there, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it, a complete custom built engine for your vehicle ready to go. Thanks for watching.